This coin sold for $2 million, but 99% are fake. The 1894 Barber Dime is one of the rarest and most mysterious coins ever made in American history. Some collectors spend their entire lives chasing one, and most will never even see a real example in person. So what makes this tiny silver dime worth millions? And how can you tell if one is fake? Let's find out. Quick fact number 1. Only 24 pieces of the 1894 Barber Dime were officially minted in San Francisco. Quick fact number 2. Today, fewer than 10 confirmed examples are known to still exist. Quick fact number 3. The coin was designed by legendary U.S. Mint engraver Charles E. Barber. Quick fact number 4. It contains 90% silver and 10% copper. Quick fact number 5. One high-grade example sold for nearly $2 million at auction. Quick fact number 6. The S Mint mark stand for the San Francisco Mint. Quick fact number 7. Nobody knows exactly why only 24 were made. Quick fact number 8. One theory says the coins were struck for wealthy bankers. Quick fact number 9. Another story claims the Mint superintendent gave a few to his daughter. Quick fact number 10. According to coin legend, she spent one on ice cream. Quick fact number 11. Even worn examples can sell for hundreds of thousands of dollars. Quick fact number 12. The coin is smaller than a modern quarter, but worth more than most luxury mansions. Quick fact number 13. Because it's so famous, counterfeiters have copied it for decades. Quick fact number 14. Some fake versions are made from altered common Barber dimes. Quick fact number 15. Authentic examples are usually certified by grading companies like PCGS or NGC. Now here are 10 ways to spot fake 1894 Barber dimes. Fake spotting tip number 1. Check the date carefully. Counterfeiters often modify other Barber dimes by changing numbers to look like 1894. Fake spotting tip number 2. Look closely at the 4 in the date. Fake ones may have strange angles, tool marks, or uneven spacing. Fake spotting tip number 3. Inspect the tiny S Mint mark on the reverse. On genuine coins, its position and shape are very specific. Fake spotting tip number 4. Watch for mint marks that look glued on or engraved later. Fake spotting tip number 5. Real coins weigh about 2.5 grams.
The authentic coin on the left shows significant wear
Wrong
and
weight
patina.
is a huge
The replica
red flag.
on the right, however,
Fake
is
spotting
clearly marked
tip number
replica
6.
copy.
Examine Liberty's hair details. Authentic coins have sharp lines and clean texture. Fake spotting tip number 7. Look at the wreath leaves on the back. Soft or mushy details usually indicate a counterfeit. Fake spotting tip number 8. Check the edge of the coin. Many fake coins have weak reeds or uneven edges. Fake spotting tip number 9. Watch for casting bubbles, rough surfaces, or strange discoloration. Genuine coins were struck, not cheaply cast. Fake spotting tip number 10. If someone tries selling one cheaply online without certification, be extremely suspicious. And remember this. Never clean an old coin you think might be valuable. Cleaning can destroy collector value instantly. Some collectors believe the 1894 Barber Dime is more legendary than the 1913 Liberty head nickel because so few survive today. Imagine finding one hidden in an old coin jar or family collection. That tiny dime could literally change your life forever. The thumbnail image used in this video is AI generated for educational and entertainment purposes. Would you keep this coin or sell it for millions immediately? Comment if you want part 2.